Okay, so there's a bit more down and flat before we actually get to the run up, so this is kind of a... Oh, there is one more little stream crossing. Yeah, that's right, I got my feet wet. This is where we get wet last time, so this might be the point of no crossing, but yeah, a lot more water in it than there was last time. Now, where's the crossing? Where it is? I appear to have perhaps not come down the right track. I think that's it down there. Huh. Have we messed up? Okay. Just gonna have to go in the water. See if we can find the crossing and remember where I came out. I think somehow I've lost the track, which I've never managed to do before, so congratulations me. So let's it's a bit nippy that. Let's retrace and see if we can... Ah, good, we did a bit of splashing around. Should have gone left here. What an idiot. As I said, they're fairly well marked out, so it's very difficult to lose the track unless you're concentrating on the floor. So yeah, we could have just waded along a bit. So here we go. Whoop. No point in pansying around too much. The sun is coming out. Well, the sun's always been brilliant this morning, but it's the clouds going, everything's lightening up. So now it should be a bit more flat. Yep, and then the up will begin. So we're 6.7, 5 3/4 k in, so we're a third of the way. So okay.